Hi everyone, today I am going to solve a SIMnet quiz. It's quiz 7A SIMnet. It's a SIMnet McGraw Hills College. My name is given here, my ID and my username. And what is the course name? Its course name is CGS 2518-20225 Spring Armstrong. Its submission date is 15/4/2025 Eastern Time. I will start this one project. What the skill needed for the to complete this project? The skill needed to project managing conditional formatting rule. Skill 8.2 while filtering and sorting using cell attributes, sorting data on the multiple criterias using advanced filter, creating a custom filter, refreshing data in a pivot table, filtering data in a pivot table, changing the look of a pivot table, creating what if analysis scenario, activating the solver add in, using solver, creating scenario summary report. That's our required skill in this. We'll start our project. Steps to complete. Mark as a step checked to complete them. Open the start file ex2021. Fix it 8-6. The file was renamed automatically to include your name. I have already opened my file, that's my file. So we will go to our second step. If the workbook is open in protected view, click the enable editing button in the message bar at the top of the workbook so you can modify the workbook. I have already enable edit this one. That's enable edited. In the third step, what is he asking? There are multiple conditional formatting rule applied to the cell range in the financial data worksheet. So we will go to the financial data worksheet. That's our financial data worksheet. He is asking for multiple conditional formatting is applied to this sheet. And what we need to do? There should be a three conditional formatting rule: top two rule, bottom two rule, and icon set rule. Delete the extra rules. So we will select these. We will select the cells where you see the conditional formatting. We have selected. We will go to the conditional formatting and we will go to the manage rules. And what is he asked? Which we needed? Top two, bottom two, and icon set. Only one. While other three we need to delete the other three rules. Correct the cell range of the remaining rule should be T5 to G20. So we will select the first three rule and now we have bottom two, top two, and icon set. Three rules only. And what is he asking? Change the all the rules should be applied to D5 to G20. So we will change here the cell ranges D5 to G20. We will put D5 to G20 and also for this one we will put D5 to G20 and for third one also we will put D5 to G20 and press OK. So conditional formatting is applied to now our required cell. We have corrected the conditional formatting. Fix the remaining conditional formatting rule so that if value of the cell is in the top two values or top bottom values, the icon set is not applied. So we will go here. We will go to the manage rules. We have got these values. He is asking that if a conditional if these first two condition is applied to sheet, third one is not applied. So we will select this one. We will apply. You see, when it's applied uh, top two and bottom two rules, it's not given an icon set. So it's now removed from the icon set. So that's our third step. In our fourth step, what is he asking? Now that the conditional rule have been fixed, sort the data alphabetically by value in the location column and then by icon in the quarter one column with the up row at the top and bottom row at the bottom. So we will go to the sort. We will select custom sort. What we need to apply first? We need to apply location column in alphabetical order. We will apply location order in alphabetical order. Add a second level. What is the other we need to apply? By icon in the quarter one column row. So we will select quarter one column row by an icon set. Conditional formatting by an icon set. First one up on the top. So that's our conditional formatting. We will apply this one. So it's applied to our required cell ranges. That's our fourth step. In our fifth step, what is he asking? An advanced filter should be performed to find any location with the profit any quarter less than 11,000. The result should be copied in the cell I4. The criteria range in the cell A23 is set up incorrectly. The criteria of this filter should include less than 11,000, less than 11,000 in quarter 2, less than 11,000 in quarter 4. The previous attempt using the filter used wrong range. The previous filter result and incorrect copy range. Be sure that new copy range to cell I4 and auto-fill the column case. So we'll go to the criteria range in the cell A23. We need to change here as a 11,000. Also for quarter 2 we will change this one 11,000. 11,000 for quarter 3, and what is the for quarter 4? It's 11,000. Now we will apply advanced filter to this data. We will go to the data tab and here we will select advanced. You see we have a selected list range A4 to AG20, that's correct, and we have a criteria range selected A23 to G24. Filtered copy to another location you will select. He selected the I4 to M4 where you need to paste the result. When you click this one, this will show a arrow because its result cell range is not correct. Now I will show you how you will perform this. Its correct range, criteria range also correct. In the copy to range where a new location, you will select only I4 and press OK. So you see you have got your result in your required cells. So I will again check this one. I4 to O4. So here we have got our filter data set. What is the other thing he asking? Apply a custom format to main data to show only the profit greater than 54,000 to quarter 4. So we will go to the quarter 4 column. That's our quarter 4 column. We will select filter, and here we will select. You will select here as a text filter. Clear that filter. You will select that one column and select filter. You will put here as a number filter greater than 54,000 and press OK. In this way, you have got your result in the quarter 4 column. So that's our 6 step. We have total 14 steps in this 16 steps in this assignment. I have performed 7 steps in this video. If you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. I will show you this one complete result. When it will be completed, it will look like how it will look like that. It will look like that. It will look like that. Financial data will look like that. You see, we have got this one financial data, and then pivot chart, pivot table, slicer, its answer report, its generated key, financial target. That's our all worksheet. When you complete this one, it will look like that. So if you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get a new video updates. Thank you.